Hey everyone, I felt compelled to share my thoughts with you in this video because there's a lot of misinformation circulating online, especially about Joint Restore Gummies. If you've clicked on this video, it's probably because you want the real deal on whether these gummies live up to their promises of easing knee pain and treating joint inflammation just by chewing them. Stick around until the end, and I'll spill all the details you need. First off, let me start with a crucial warning to save you from wasting your hard-earned money and falling victim to scams. The issue with scams and fakes is so rampant that I need to address it right away. Joint Restore Gummies, with its 100% natural formula and zero side effects, is making waves. It's the only product out there that confidently offers a 60-day use guarantee. But beware, it's crucial to buy it only from the official website to avoid getting caught in a web of scams. What exactly is Joint Restore Gummies, you ask? Well, it's a product with a natural formula that's been heavily marketed for good reason. The 60-day use guarantee means you can ask for your money back if you're not satisfied within that time frame. But here's the catch: only buy from the official website, and I'll leave the link in the video description for you. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Do you suffer from persistent knee pain, hindering your daily activities and forcing you to give up things you love? You've likely come across ads promising a solution in the form of Joint Restore Gummies. People are raving about how these gummies work wonders, providing a solid solution to end your knee pain and joint inflammation. And guess what? It's backed by the Hemp Authority of the United States, so it's reliable. But here's the thing: these gummies won't work like magic. You need to use them correctly for at least 3 months, as recommended by the producer. It's not an overnight fix, but the results are worth it. Many users have reported improved mobility, flexibility, and complete relief from knee pain. Unlike modern medicines, these gummies target the root cause of the pain: inflammation. The science behind Joint Restore Gummies proves that it won't harm your inflammatory response. So, what's the catch? Well, there's a second important warning. Some people misuse this product expecting miracles. To get the best results and enjoy all the benefits, follow the producer's recommendation. Use it for at least 3 months, chewing 1 gum every day. And here's a sweet deal: when you buy the kit of 3 jars, the producer throws in 3 extra jars for free. To sum it up, if you want the real deal, go to the official website. Thanks for tuning in, and take care of those knees.